Looking to upgrade your factory stereo without hassle? The Install Centric ICFD8BN kit offers a smooth, professional solution for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury models from 2004 to 2012. Designed for a perfect fit, this kit lets you install an aftermarket stereo without altering your vehicle's dash or wiring. What sets this kit apart is its direct connection to the factory harness, no wire cutting needed. That means you preserve your vehicle's original wiring integrity, reducing installation time and risk of damage. The harness uses factory-quality wires and connectors, ensuring reliable performance that matches your vehicle's standards. The dash kit itself is crafted from high-grade ABS plastic, engineered with precision tolerances. This guarantees a gapless fit that blends seamlessly with your dash's color and texture. Included are the kit panel, trim ring, and brackets, all designed to create a clean, factory-like appearance once installed. Installation is straightforward and requires no special tools. The kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions and color-coded wires, making it accessible even if you're not a professional installer. Whether you're upgrading your Ford Expedition or another compatible model, this kit simplifies the process. One satisfied customer praised how the kit made installing a dual stereo in a 2006 Ford Expedition easy and hassle-free. The wiring was straightforward, and assembling the bracket took minimal effort. This kind of feedback underscores the kit's reliability and user-friendly design. If you want a neat, professional aftermarket stereo setup without the frustration of modifying your dash or wiring, the Install Centric ICFD8BN is worth a look. It delivers what you need: quality materials, a perfect fit, and an easy install process. Ready to upgrade your ride's sound system with confidence? Try the Install Centric ICFD8BN kit when you're ready to make your stereo installation smooth and secure. It's a practical choice that keeps your vehicle's integrity intact while enhancing your audio experience.